Hi, I'm Jen Beeman. I'm a sewing pattern designer and pattern maker based in Chicago. I love that the new Bernina machine has 3 main functions: Overlock, Coverstitch, and the 5-thread combo. I love the new L890 because it has the same quality Swiss precision and engineering as the rest of the Bernina lineup. The one-step air threader is awesome. Not only is it easy and fun, it means your threads will never become tangled or threaded out of order. The color touchscreen is super easy to use, and the large icons make it really easy to see what you're doing. As a garment sewer, I really enjoy the free arm on this machine. It's perfect for all the little cuffs and little fiddly things that I always am working on. For larger projects and garments, the slide-on extension table is a must-have. It supports the weight of these larger projects and comes standard on the machine. As a right-hander, I really appreciate the extra space here so you can get your arm around and lift the presser foot easily. The L890 comes with the Bernina freehand system, which means you can raise and lower the presser foot using your knee. This is great because it gives you access to both hands while sewing. With this machine, you can sew with 2, 3, 4, or even 5 threads, which is really exciting because it gives you a stitch for every seam, application, and fabric. The needle stop up and down function is great. All you have to do is kick back on the foot control and your machine will move the needle a half step. The presser foot swings out to give you easy access to the needles while threading. Not only is the L890 super fast, but you can also adjust the top speed as well as the lower speed. The bright LED light is super helpful because it allows you to see every stitch, whether it's day or night. Using the foot control, it's easy to control the speed of the machine, enabling you to even do stitch-by-stitch sewing. One of the benefits of the screen is that there's a guided mode and an expert mode to help you set up your stitches. The guided mode contains a wizard for step-by-step instruction on how to set your stitches properly. The expert mode contains an overview so you can double-check you've got everything right. When you select your stitch, the machine automatically sets the thread tension, differential feed, and stitch length for you. If you're into decorative stitching or specialty threads, you'll really appreciate the Stitch Optimizer. There are helpful tutorials and a stitch consultant included in the machine, so if you have a question about a stitch or a fabric, all you have to do is look it up. Helpful animations are included to help you with threading and setup. You can save your stitch customizations using the personal memory. Your sound, screen brightness, colors, and speed are all saved for the next time you sit down to sew. Using a button on the screen, you can permanently set the needle up or down. This is great because while you're cover stitching, you'll likely want the needles to stop up so you can pull and lock your threads. But while overlocking, you'll likely want the needles to stop down. The stitch length, cutting width, and thread tensions are all adjustable while sewing, which is great because it adds precision to your creative thread applications. The overedge thread amount can be precisely adjusted using the easy-to-access micro thread control. The MTC is a great solution for making your flat lock seams even flatter. If you're a dressmaker like me, you'll also appreciate the differential feed for its ability to keep your shaped hems and curves flat while you sew. People ask me all the time what the secret is to getting clean, professional-looking garments, and there's really no secret. All you need is practice and a good quality precision machine, which is why I only use Bernina. I finally have everything I've ever wanted.